This is a quick message to all school staff in Wales. Thank you for all that you've done and are continuing to do in supporting our children and young people through these challenging times. We've met these challenging times together and have shown that the education family in Wales always steps up to ensure that every single young person is supported with their well-being and to learn and to grow. As you'll know, schools across Wales are opening up to the majority of pupils from Monday, June 29th. By that date, we will have had a full month of Wales's Test, Trace and Protect programme. And by ensuring that we have a check-in, catch-up and period to prepare at the end of this term and to start the blended face-to-face and online learning, we're doing our absolute best by our learners. Many heads, indeed many teachers, staff and parents have been in touch with me over the last couple of weeks to share their plans and ideas. And I'm very grateful for the dedication and the innovation shown by so many of you. You will also know that we are proposing an additional week to this term. The reason for this is clear: to ensure we have more contact time with learners in schools. So much can be achieved in this 4-week period. Without it, most learners would face almost 6 months out of the classroom, and we know what that learning loss looks like and the implications of it, particularly for our most disadvantaged learners. The latest health and science advice makes clear the advantages of using time in the summer, and in particular in the warm weather, to open schools up to more pupils and teachers. To be blunt, we have to be prepared for the possibility of a second wave of the disease later in the year. I really hope that that does not happen, but it is only right that we prepare.